Today is Tuesday, so that means it's time for another Tiny Tidy Tuesday. And in today's Tiny Tidy Tuesday, I am cleaning behind, on top, under, and inside my refrigerator, so stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. This tiny tidy turned into a pretty mighty tidy, and it was pretty dirty as well, so I can't wait to show you guys. I want to thank Sunday Dawn, as always, for putting the playlist together for us. Please check out her channel. Her channel name is The Helpful Home. I'll link it in my description box below, along with the playlist of all the other tiny tidiers. So let's get started with this mighty tidy. This is my refrigerator before I started. It looks pretty good on the outside. The inside looks pretty empty because it is the day before going to get groceries, so most of the items have been used. And you can tell that it just needs a wipe down, just a little maintenance. But looks can sometimes be so deceiving because we built this house 17 years ago and have not pulled out the refrigerator. So wait until you see what is lingering behind the refrigerator when I pull it out to clean it. Even I was shocked. Even though this is a tiny tidy, I knew that it would take a while, so I did set aside a whole afternoon for this tiny tidy, which sometimes is necessary when you're doing something like that. So I thought it would be best if I removed everything from the refrigerator and from the freezer before moving it out to clean it.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. We got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon.
As the refrigerator moves out from the wall, you will get a peek at what was lingering behind the refrigerator. These dust bunnies have been building up for 17 years, and from another angle you will even see some red dirt that has apparently been there since the builders were drilling. So yeah, this was kind of disgusting.
Side and through. No limit to what we can do. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Ooh.
I remember sometime in middle school, one of my teachers talking about dust bunnies and the things that live in dust bunnies. So I put a towel down to stand on. I did not even want to wear socks or shoes, just because that teacher put fear in me when it comes to dust bunnies. And I know that I got most of them vacuumed up, but it was just like lingering dust. It is a couple of days later as I am editing this, and I am still nursing a stuffy nose from all the dust that I had to endure as I did this project. Of course, this is a tiny tidy, and tiny tidies are usually much smaller than this. So I just wanted to take a minute to tell you guys that you could break this down into smaller tasks. You could take one day and just move your refrigerator out and clean behind it. You do not have to do the whole thing. I decided upon my own. I had a high energy day, so I decided to make it a mighty tidy, but this can definitely be broken down into small parts. You can even clean out just your refrigerator one day, just your freezer one day. You do not have to do all of this in one day like I did. And here I am trying to mop up some of the stuff that has just been sitting here for 17 years. So this is what the top of the refrigerator looked like after vacuuming it. It was so dusty and it really needed a good clean, and I used the Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose spray and it looks so much better.
Stay in this moment forever so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
I wanted to make sure to get the sides of the refrigerator as well. Even though you cannot see it, I would know if it was dusty, so I wanted it to be nice, clean, and fresh.
You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and be on your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything.
After pushing the refrigerator back, we removed the bottom of the refrigerator, and that was a hot mess as well. As I was vacuuming it out, dust bunnies kept getting stuck in the vacuum cleaner. So yeah, this definitely needed to be done and not overlooked. Again, it's something that nobody would know was there, but it definitely was there and needed to be dealt with.
Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
As I was cleaning behind, under, and around the refrigerator, I lost track of time and I realized that I had to get my food back in the freezer and the refrigerator before I lost my food. So I am just using some vinegar water to clean the inside of the freezer and then the refrigerator, and I am getting rid of any food that has expired or that I no longer use or need. As a disclaimer, those are not my sausage biscuits. I do not eat sausage biscuits. Don't know why I feel compelled to share that, but I just wanted you guys to know that I do not eat those. If you are new to my channel, I would love to take just a moment to introduce myself. My name is Jen. I am a former teacher. I love to teach you guys how to do all things homemaking on my channel, and I am a heart warrior and love to show you guys how you can thrive even when you have a heart condition. I would love for you to become part of my growing YouTube family. I love each and every one of my supporters, and I am so grateful and thankful to each and every one of you.
There's a lot of colors, I don't know where to go. See a lot of colors, only feeling blue. There's a lot of colors, lost within a haze. Don't rely on others to get you through the maze. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea, cannot take this anymore. There are a lot of voices drowning in the sea. There's too many voices talking back at me. There are a lot of choices waiting to be made. Too many choices.
For those of you guys that watch my channel, you will know that during the month of January, I am decluttering 30 items for 30 days. And I did count the items that I decided to declutter from my refrigerator and my freezer because they were just taking up space, and to me that is clutter. So I did include those in the count this week that will be coming up in a video later this week.
Making me afraid. Dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea, cannot take this anymore. The dreams are not the same for me. this anymore.
So just like with the frozen items, I am going through all of the refrigerated items and I am discarding any that we either do not use or that have expired. And again, I am calling that clutter because it is taking up a valuable space. Even though it is inside of the refrigerator, it's still taking up space in my home. And to me, that is clutter. And I love using this little rolling Lazy Susan for my condiments because it just keeps them in one place and you can easily find what you're looking for just by rotating it, and it does not take up tons of room in the refrigerator door.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there. I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end. Never thought I'd feel so alive, looking in your eyes. I just wanna love you till the day I die. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there.
I have no idea why, but I always feel so much better putting my items back into a clean, wiped down refrigerator. My refrigerator's honestly probably lasted this long because as long as I'm well, this refrigerator gets a bath almost weekly. Not a major clean, but I do keep it wiped down. And if I spill anything inside it, I do make sure to clean it up immediately. And just like I did with my frozen items, I took account of all the items that I threw away from the refrigerator so that I could write that down and include that in my January decluttering video, because like I said, if it's taking up space and I'm not using it, I consider that clutter. If it's not bringing me joy, if it's not serving a purpose, it is clutter, and therefore it must go, whether it is donated or in this case thrown into the trash can. It just needs to go find a better home. I have I don't know if it's hard water or something with my water, but it's a stain, and I've tried everything to remove it from the front of the freezer where the ice comes out. My neighbor recommended that I use some Murphy's oil, so I borrowed some from her, and I'm soaking the little tray in some hot water and Murphy's oil to see if that does the trick. It ended up doing it pretty well, but I ended up having to take a razor blade to get a little bit of the extra off. But all in all, I'm pleased, and everything looks nice and shiny and put back together.
From my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on, all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on, all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
With a refrigerator, with social media, with everything in life, things can look pretty from the outside and even look decent on the inside, but sometimes you have to go even deeper to find what truly hides beneath. Thank you guys so much for doing this tiny tidy with me today. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. Bye-bye.